Guys, today we'll be making M&M chocolate cookies. So they're like chocolate chips, except you're using M&Ms for the chips. So you're going to be needing 1 cup of butter, which is about 2 sticks of butter. And then you're going to be needing granulated sugar. You're going to be needing about 1 cup. And then we are going to be needing 3/4 of brown sugar, and then you're going to be needing 2 eggs, and then you're going to be needing a teaspoon of vanilla, and then you're going to be needing 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, and then you're going to be needing 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, and a teaspoon of baking soda, and then a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and you're going to need about 1 1/3 cups of M&Ms of the minis. I got the regular size. I'll be using a whole bag. If you want to use the 1 3/4 of M&Ms, go ahead, but I'm using a whole bag of regular M&Ms. And then you're going to be needing a cookie sheet, a smaller bowl, a bigger bowl, and possibly a sifter, and all the teaspoons and tablespoons that I mentioned. Alright, so let's begin. You're going to put your 2 sticks of butter in, and I slightly softened mine, and then you're going to be sticking your white sugar in, and you're going to be sticking your brown sugar in. And then we are going to either mix this by hand, or you're going to mix this up by hand, or you can mix it up with a mixer, which I'm going to go do right now and come back and show you what that looks like. So now it'll look something like this. Now we're going to be placing our teaspoon of vanilla in. So 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then you'll be adding your 2 eggs in. Let's see how I'll show you how to crack it. So you're just going to tap it up against your bowl, and you're just gonna release it, and then you'll do that to the same thing with your other egg. So we're placing our other egg in, and you're just gonna tap and release, and then you're gonna mix this up really nice in your mixer or by hand. You've mixed your vanilla and eggs in. This shows what it looks like. Now we're going to be doing our dry ingredients, so we'll set this aside for a second. We'll be placing our flour and cocoa powder in. We're going to be sifting that, so you're just going to stick your flour into your strainer type sifter thing, and just stick your hand in and do this. If you need space, just lift it up a little bit. And then you're going to be sticking your cocoa powder in here. And you're going to sift that too. You're going to be sticking our baking soda and salt, which will be 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So you're just going to sift that through there, and I'll take it. I'm going to give this a quick stir to combine the cocoa powder, the baking soda, and the flour together, and the salt. Going to be adding your dry ingredients to our wet ingredients, and you're going to gradually do this and mix by hand or by a mixer, and I'll show you what that looks like combined, and we'll be right back. After it's well combined, it should look like this. So now you're just going to pour your M&Ms into your batter, and then you're just going to start mixing this either by hand or with a mixer. And then you're going to stick this in, cover with saran wrap or whatever you use to cover things, and you're going to chill this for at least an hour, and then we'll come back in an hour and I'll tell you what's next. Still is chilling, you are going to set your oven to 350 degrees. This is like the last 10-20 minutes of the chill time. That way by the time that your oven is ready, your cookies will be ready at the same time. So you're going to pull your cookie dough out. When it's chilled, it'll look something like this. So you could either use your hand or a measuring spoon or one of these cookie scoops. So you're just going to scoop up some cookie dough like this, and you're going to place it on your cookie sheet, and you're going to place them 2 inches apart, and you will put them in the oven for 9 to 10 minutes for chewy cookies, or 10 to 12 minutes for a crispier cookie, and I'll show you what that looks like when they come out. So continue to be putting your cookies out on your cookie sheet 2 inches apart, and we'll come right back. Once your cookies are done cooking from the time, you'll pull them out. You'll let them sit for a few seconds on top of your stove, and then you will take them over to where your cookie rack is, and then you'll let them cool off, and then you can enjoy and try your cookie. And I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye bye.